Hmm.
Full? You full? Mmm. Mmm, yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. You done got full?
Yeah, you only got a little
On
bit
your
of
turkey
left.
burger? On your turkey burger, Landon? You full? Mmm, was it good? Was it good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was delicious. It was delicious. Mmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got stuff reserved in your mouth? Water time. There you go. Yeah, Landon ate yesterday fish. And today he... Applesauce. Mmm. Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. That is so good. That is delicious. Mm-hmm.
Why you always go for the big one?
Right. There you go. He's almost ate a half a hamburger. Okay. All right. Work it out. Mm-hmm. Whoops, he's tearing it up. We got it on. Got it on the iPad now. Mommy can see it. Mm-hmm.
Missed a piece.
Daddy can't even break it up.
Slow down, slow down.
Right? Act like you've been starving. Jeez, he'll move your hand out the way. Mm-hmm. Yeah, chew it all up in your mouth now.
Water?
Yeah, see, that's gonna put you to sleep eating.
Applesauce? Here. Water?
He knows what he wants, see. There you go. Give me water. Ooh, wonderful.
Good? Eat first. You gotta eat more.